Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. So if you guys are new around here, my name is Becca. I am a registered dietitian and I make lots of videos here on my channel about health, wellness, lifestyle, intuitive eating, and you will see a lot of intuitive eating on my channel, but especially in these videos, I am definitely not someone who cuts anything out. I'm never on a specific diet. I just kind of eat whatever I want to eat, what feels right at the time. And I obviously love to eat pretty healthy, so you'll see a lot of that. But I know that you guys love these videos, and ever since I became pregnant, I've been getting even more requests for them. So I'm gonna start trying to do these even more often now, which I'm sure you guys will be happy about. But yeah, so I'm currently 26 weeks pregnant, so I'm eating like a 26 weeks pregnant lady. I really don't eat that different, like maybe a little bit more now, but my appetite really like waxes and wanes. Sometimes I'm really hungry. Other weeks I'm just feel pretty normal, like I could eat what I ate before I was pregnant. But you know, I trust my body that it will gain the amount of weight that it needs to gain and take in the amount of fuel it needs at whatever time. So that is basically what I've been doing. But if you want to see what I am eating today, I'm just gonna be taking you guys around with me. So let's get started. Okay guys, about to have some breakfast. This is probably a very familiar sight for a lot of you because I've been eating this pretty much every morning for a while now. So I've just got some oats, like maybe a little bit less than a half a cup. I don't know, I don't measure really. Cooked oats. I did a splash of milk because they were a little dry. And then I'm gonna add raisins, peanut butter. This is the one that we get from Costco and love it. And then I'm also gonna top it off with some of these coconut chips. It's just like a really good combo and it's delicious. It's got lots of fiber, protein, fat, all the good stuff. So it's really filling. And also I'm getting kind of a late start on breakfast today. It's like almost 10 o'clock. Normally I eat earlier than this, but just so you guys know. So there we go, final product. That is my breakfast. It looks so good and I'm gonna go eat. Hey guys, so it's a little while later. I am definitely hungry for lunch. I have not had, it's been a couple hours since I had that oatmeal, so I'm gonna make some lunch. But before I do that, actually real quick, I'm going to just do a little bit of like food prep, nothing crazy. Literally it's just like a fruit and a vegetable. But I thought I would show you guys. I mean, I'm just gonna be cutting up fruit, but then I'm gonna be baking Brussels sprout or roasting Brussels sprouts that I have that I want to make sure that I cook up before they go bad. So I'm gonna, I guess, just show you guys how I do that. I have been trying to get more in the habit of, at least with fruits and veggies, just prepping them, like cutting them, cleaning them, all of that beforehand, so that they, or you know, roasting them, whatever, so that they are basically just like ready to grab and eat throughout the week, because it definitely makes life easier. And with baby on the way, I am trying to force myself to get in the habit of doing that like on a weekly basis, so that I'm already in the habit of doing it when the baby's here. And obviously, you know, it might be a little crazy for a little while, but if I can get back into the habit of it pretty easily, that would be great. So I've been trying to do that. So I have some watermelon that I want to cut up, and then, like I said, Brussels sprouts I'm gonna roast. So I'm just gonna, I guess, kind of show you guys what I'm doing, and then once I do that, it's time for lunch. Okay, so the watermelon is all chopped up. We've got like a lot to snack on throughout this week, which is awesome. So yeah, super easy. And I've noticed that when I like cut up clean fruit in advance and it's just literally ready to be eaten right out of the fridge, Matt eats a lot more fruit. So if you are trying to get your husband to eat healthier, or even your kids, this is a good tip for kids too. This is a really great way to do it because it's just so accessible. And I mean, come on, who doesn't love watermelon in the summer? Okay, then next I have these Brussels sprouts. So I'm just gonna clean these really well, cut the bottoms off, and then probably just have them, or maybe even quarter them because they're kind of big. And then I'm just gonna roast these with some avocado oil, salt and pepper, and yeah. What do you think about that watermelon?
Juicy. August watermelon. Best time to eat watermelon. Look it up. And dogs can eat it too if you remove the seeds, so I just gave a little bit to Rosie.
Did you Google that?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
It was the first Google response.
Oh, you gonna give her some?
I hear you.
I don't think she's gonna like it. Oh.
Well,
are you sure this is okay?
I already gave her some.
Oh. Did she eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
She. Is it pretty?
I think she'll just eat anything you give her.
Sure. She trusts me.
Okay, so this is what they look like all chopped up. I just halved them. And then I'm gonna use avocado oil. This is my go-to oil whenever I'm roasting because it has a really high smoke point. It can handle high temperatures and it's not gonna oxidize as readily as something like olive oil. So that's why I like to use avocado oil often. And then I'm just gonna be adding salt and pepper on top and then putting them in the oven. I have it set at 400 and I'll probably roast them for like maybe 30 minutes. Okay, the prep is done. That did not take long. And now I'm gonna have some lunch. I'm getting really hungry. So I'm thinking I'm gonna make like a big salad. I have been craving salads recently, which is a very lovely pregnancy craving to have. Just anything like fresh and crunchy is just very satisfying to me right now. So I'm gonna make a salad, and then I'm definitely gonna have like avocado toast or something more substantial along with it, because all I had so far is oatmeal and a little bit of watermelon, and I'm pretty hungry. Okay, so for my salad, I'm gonna be using this. It's just like spinach and spring mix. Yeah, spinach and spring mix. And then I've been making like a strawberry salad recently. Like I said, I'm all about the fruit these days. So I'm just gonna slice up some strawberries and then top it off with almonds. And lately, whenever I'm making a salad, I do add avocado to it, but like I said, I'm gonna make avocado toast instead. So I'm just gonna put the avocado on the toast. But actually a little nervous about this, but I'm gonna try it. So I actually got this a couple weeks ago. I think I showed it in a grocery haul. It's just wild canned salmon, and I haven't tried it yet because I don't know if it's gonna be kind of gross or if it's gonna be like totally fine. So I want to add some kind of protein to this, so I'm gonna try. I think I'm gonna add like maybe half of this can, and we'll see how that goes. And I'm gonna put it in this big giant bowl. Is anyone else like me? Maybe I'm just crazy, but I think salads taste so much better in a giant bowl that you can really like mix them around in versus just like on a plate with dressing drizzled on, you know? I don't know. And then as far as dressing, I actually have just been whipping up like making homemade dressing really easily to throw on salads. And I know that might sound intimidating, but seriously, it's so easy. So I will show you in a second how I do that. Okay, so I've got my salad here. I've got the greens, strawberries, sliced almonds, and then the salmon on top. So now I'm just gonna quick whip up a little bit of salad dressing. This looks like a lot of stuff, but it literally takes 2 seconds. And I don't measure this, I just kind of wing it. So I put some olive oil, balsamic vinegar in here. That's like the base. And then I'll just sprinkle in some oregano, garlic powder, salt and pepper. And then a little bit of, just like a little squirt of mustard. And then I just mix that all in. The reason I do mustard is because mustard is an emulsifier, so it's gonna help make the dressing like all one homogeneous liquid instead of the oil and vinegar constantly separating. So that's a little tip if you guys never learned that. And it doesn't really, you can't really taste the mustard because you just add a little bit, but it makes it really, really good. Okay, and then for my avocado toast, this is the bread I'm gonna be using. I think it's called like Pain de Champagne or something. Anyway, it's from the bakery section at Whole Foods. These are like some giant slices of bread, but I am hungry, so I'm eating it. And I'm gonna use about half an avocado and then, duh, classic, everything bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. Okay, so lunch is served. I got my salad, got my avocado toast. I'm starving and this looks so good, so I'm gonna dig in. All right, so I just finished lunch a few minutes ago and I'm not actually eating again, although I did have a couple of the Trader Joe's chocolate covered almonds. Those are like my favorite. And I forgot to show you, so I had a couple of those, just something sweet. But I'm gonna actually throw dinner in the crock pot for tonight. It is like, I mean, it's not fall yet, it's still summer, it's still hot during the day, but every morning it's been like a little tiny bit chilly, and I know fall is coming, and it's just getting me so excited to start using my crock pot again and make chili, because you guys know I love my chili. So I was in the mood to do a crock pot meal, so I'm just gonna do, it's like a Southwestern chicken and rice. I don't know, I found it on Pinterest. I will link it down below if you guys want to try it, and I'm gonna pretty much follow it to a T. I never use bouillon cubes, which it calls for, so I'm just gonna skip over that, but otherwise I'm just following along with that. I'm just gonna dump everything in my crock pot now and set it, and then that way when dinner time comes I don't have to do anything, just serve it, which is the best. Also, just wanted to give you guys an update on how these turned out. They look so good, nice and crispy, which is how I like them. So I'm just gonna throw these in like a little glass Tupperware and throw them in my fridge, and I can have these just to kind of snack on throughout the week or throw along with whatever I'm having for lunch. Just an easy way to have like veggies on hand. And any veggies roasted are always so good. Hello again. So I'm about to have a snack. It's getting close to dinner time, but our crock pot's not quite done yet. Still has a little bit of time left, but I'm hungry, so I want to have something. And I'm thinking I'm just gonna have a little bit of yogurt to get some protein, calcium. So yeah. Okay, so here's my snack. It's just a Siggy's vanilla with some granola on top. This is the granola I put on it. This is my favorite granola ever. It's seriously so good. It's just the one that I prefer the most. I also really like Jessica's granola. I think you can find it online. They once sent me a bunch, and that's another granola I really like because I'm kind of picky, but this is definitely my favorite. So I just put a little bit of that on top on the yogurt. I'm gonna eat this, and then it's gonna be dinner time pretty soon. Okay, dinner is ready. This is what it looks like. It actually looks really good. I topped it with a lot of cheese, so you can't really see. But yeah, it turned out really, at least looks really good, and it smells amazing. So we're gonna dig in. And if you wanted to see it actually like in the crock pot, this is what it looks like. So very hearty, and it looks delicious. And again, this is just from Pinterest. I'll link it down below if you guys want to try it. Hi guys, so it is much later on now. We had dinner a while ago. And we are gonna be headed up to bed any minute now, but I wanted a little something sweet. I'm still like full from dinner, so I didn't want to eat something big, but I like needed something sweet. So this is like super random, but I'm having one of these. I don't know if it's gonna focus. They're called Oh Coconut. The brand is Nutiva. This is what the bag looks like. And they're just like little mini coconut macaroons. And I found them in my cabinet, and it sounded really good, and it's just something small. So that's what I'm gonna have. I'm just gonna have a little something sweet. I love anything coconut, so. But yeah, that is it. I'm gonna eat that, and then we're gonna be going to bed soon. But that is it for today's What I Eat video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you do enjoy these videos, make sure to subscribe because I will be doing lots more. And follow me on Instagram, of course, so we can hang out on there. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna go to bed and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.